Hey guys, it's me, Kendra, and welcome back to my corner of the internet. The best thing about being an anime fan nowadays is the abundance of merch we have. Back in the day, it just used to be t-shirts, maybe a sweatshirt if you're lucky, but now we have so many different varieties of anime merch, it can almost be overwhelming. Even with this abundance of anime merch, t-shirts and sweatshirts are still at the forefront of what is popular and what's made the most. But me, I like things a little bit different. Like, I love a t-shirt, I love a sweatshirt every once in a while, but I want something different. I wanted something different. I started getting tired of the t-shirts and sweatshirts. I started looking at the other kinds of merch available. I have a nice big purse collection, and when I saw that brands are making these anime inspired purses, I made it a mission to get the ones that really spoke to me. So let's go and take a look at the anime purses that I have. We're going to start with one of my favorite Dragon Ball characters, Gohan. This is the Pop by Loungefly Gohan and Piccolo wallet. It has Gohan from the beginning of DBZ. I love his little outfit. On the back, we have the logo for the Pop by Loungefly, and then we have a small Piccolo. He's right here. When we open up the zipper, there's card slots, there's a place for your ID, and we can see the print on the inside. It's really cool. It has little Gohan again, and then it has, I think this is the symbol that Goku wears on the back of his gi. Look at little Gohan. Adorable. This retails for $25. I got this, I want to say 2 years ago, but it actually is still on sale, and it's available on Amazon and the Loungefly website. Sticking with the Dragon Ball theme, because if you didn't know, that's one of my favorite anime of all time. Hypeland created these anime purses. I made sure I was in line for the Dragon Ball Z 4-star Dragon Ball bag. Look at it. Is it not glorious? So like I said, this is from Hypeland. They released a collection of anime inspired bags, and this was one of them. So this is what the front looks like. As you can see, it looks exactly like the 4-star ball. On the back is the Hypeland logo with a little slot pockets. We can get into the zipper right here. It has the Hypeland logo again, and you open it up, gold hardware. It has 2 pockets on the inside, one a zip pocket and one a slot pocket. The strap is adjustable. This purse is so cute, but I will say it's a very structured bag. So you're not gonna get a whole bunch in here. So be very mindful of what you put in here if you decide to get it. This retails for $150. I'm not sure if it's on the Hypeland website anymore. I know some of the bags sold out in that collection. This is one of my favorite bags, but I don't take it out too often because no, she's special.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the moment.
She's special to me. I know the bag says Kate Spade, but that's because I lost the dust bag to this bag. We're going to move on to my second favorite anime, which is Sailor Moon. This is the Sailor Moon and Sailor Mars Heart Eyes bag. This is from the brand Solar Brand. This was a limited edition release, so no, you will not find this again. I think this also retailed for $115. This is a fabric bag, and this bag holds a lot. This is the bag that I take with me to anime conventions, to hold any small purchases I make, to hold my things, because it's a very comfortable bag to wear. So if we look inside, we have here's a little plush dangler that matches. Isn't she so cute? This has 3 pockets. It has 2 slot pockets on the front, and on the back side it has a zipper pocket. Like I said, very, very spacious. I've been able to hold this all day at a convention for like 10 hours straight. And it's so cute. Like, look at Usagi and look at Rei. They're so cute. Keeping up with the theme of magical girls, let's move on to my next bag, which is this adorable bag right here. This is from the brand Nyaholo. This is the logo. Is it not so cute? But this is the Tokyo Mew Ichigo inspired bag from Nyaholo. If you've ever seen Mew Ichigo, and I'll put a picture up here somewhere, if you've ever seen what Mew Ichigo looks like, this bag so embodies her. The black fur represents her tail in the transformation, and this is represented, has this little belt on it with a bow. This bag is so adorable. If you look inside, there are no pockets. It is a zipper closed bag. However, this little bag has some storage. I can fit my phone, my wallet, which is the same exact size, my keys, some lip balm, and it all fits. This is a pretty good size bag. I think this retailed for $40, and it is a women-owned business and did a really good job with designing this. Whenever I wear it, like the anime fans that know. Now, here comes the fun part, because this is my one bag from Niaholo, but I recently got a gift card after winning a contest with them, and I was able to order 2 more bags. So we are not only going to look at them, but we are also going to unbox them together. All right, so this is box 1 and we are about to open it. So let's see what it is. I ordered 2 purses. Let's see which one is first. Isn't the box so cute? I love this logo. All right, this one is kind of small, so I think I know what it is, but let's open it up and see. Is this? Yes, it is. I recently, I want to say a couple months ago, watched Madoka Magica for the first time. Even though I claim to be a big fan of magical girls, I never watched it. So I recently watched it. And then when I looked on the Niaholo site, lo and behold, she has a Madoka Magica purse. So let's open this up and look at it. So if you know what Madoka wears when she transforms into her magical girl persona, you would know that this is pretty spot on. I'll put a picture up for comparison. Like, look at the two. This is Madoka if she got turned into a bag. So let's explore this bag. Look at this ruffle detailing. Like, is this not adorable? And I thought these straps up top came off, but they don't. These are part of the handle. On the back is the Niaholo logo with a zipper for some extra storage. And let's take a look inside. These are snap closures. Inside is where we have the extra straps if you want to make this a crossbody. And look at the straps, they're so cute. Look at the straps. Let's look at the clasps. Oh my gosh, they're hearts. And I'm not even a heart girl. You guys know I'm a star girl. I love anything star. But that gagged me just a bit. Also on the sides are hearts where the clasps go for the handles. Oh my gosh. And the strap is incredibly long. So look at that. Oh my gosh. So cute. Let's explore the inside of the bag. Looks like there are 2 pockets on the inside. We have a slot pocket up front, and then we have a zip pocket in the back. This also looks like a very structured bag, so you'll be able to get in just enough stuff, but you won't be able to like stuff it to the brim, which is fine. This is a special occasion bag. This is not every day. By the way, this is the mini version. She does have a bigger bag on the Niaholo site, but this one itself is $75, the mini Madoka Magica. The other bag that I ordered is a Shuguchara themed bag. Shuguchara is another magical girl anime, and one of the characters in there, her name is Utua? Tau? I know I'm not pronouncing that right, but one of the transformations she has is Sephiroth Charm, and this bag is going to be based on her. So let's pull it out and see what it looks like. This feels a little bit heftier. Ooh, a second dust bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is the Angelic Charm crossbody bag. This retails for $89.99. This was a pre-order, so it wasn't available to purchasing it. So it might be on the site now. But let's take a look at this bag. It draws information from Shuguchara, the character Utau, her Sephiroth Charm transformation. So let's take a look at this bag. The bow got a little bent in transit, it looks like. But so many ruffles, so cute, so pink and pretty. Look at the wings behind the bow right here. We have some, looks like corset lacing, some stars. This is another magnetic clasp. So we have lots of sets of straps. So on the back, you can make this into a crossbody. You can also make it into a mini backpack with this. Let's check inside. This is another super structured bag, I can tell. So on the inside of this bag, there is no slot pocket. There is only a back pocket. There is a zipper pocket on the back here as well, along with the Niaholo logo and some more stars. Let's put one of the straps on right now. So there are these little snap attachments where you can snap the bow on. Cute. The strap, we'll put it on the higher one. So this is what the bag looks like as a crossbody. Very, very cute. I love the design of this. I like the little bows on the side. Absolutely. Super adorable. And I'm a pink girl, so you know I am loving this pink. So as you can see, my anime purse and wallet collection is growing. I will make sure to link all of the websites for these brands below, because not only do they have these fabulous products, but they also have a plethora of other really cool anime inspired whole host of other things. So I'll link that below. Being an adult nerd and having adult money and being able to buy things for your nerdy hobby is the best. Highly recommend. So my fellow nerds, I am out of here, but before I go, I want to tell you to like, subscribe, and comment. I thought that the Dragon Ball 4-star was my favorite bag until I opened that Madoka box up and she was in there. That was my favorite. What was your favorite? Let me know below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.